Hi, and welcome to another video on imag-r. In this video, we will show you how to prepare and engrave an image on clear acrylic. For acrylic, it is really important to run the laser as fast as possible with really low power. We do not want to engrave it deep, more like just scratching at the surface. If you enjoy the video, please leave a like, subscribe and share it with other engravers. Okay, let's go. What we need. First of all, there are two different types of acrylic, cast and extruded. We have to use cast acrylic, since extruded won't turn white and is only melting while engraving. It is not possible to achieve good results with extruded material. I have added a list where you can read the differences between them. Just pause the video. Next thing we need is isopropanol to clean the acrylic after engraving. Also, we need a microfiber cloth to avoid scratches when cleaning. Now let's prepare the images. As usual, we move to imag-r.com. The link is also in the video description. The page is completely free and you can prepare images in a few seconds for engraving. First, we upload the image we want to engrave. These are the two images we will prepare. Since I want to engrave a complete image, I can skip the crop option. If you want to use a specific area on your image, you can use the crop. Next step is resizing. I will change the width to 170 millimeters. The height calculates automatically. For DPI, I use 231, since this is the perfect resolution for my laser device. Now we can proceed with materials. I will choose the CO2 algorithm and choose the acrylic option. This will invert the colors and mirror the image, perfect for clear acrylic. Now I will reduce the gamma adjustment to gain more details in the face, especially the nose and her fingers. Now we are done. Let's save the image as PNG. If you receive this kind of advertising, just press the escape key to close the ad and start the download. Now let's prepare the second image. The steps are identical, so I won't explain it again and speed it up till we are again at the materials option. Above the preview, you can check again if the image is correctly resized. In my case, it worked flawlessly. Also, on this image, I will adjust the gamma value to get more details in the blanket and also in the hands of the baby. Looks good, but a little bit more would be better. You will get a feeling for the gamma adjustment by testing it on different images. Now we save the image again in PNG. Next, I can open my laser software. In my case, ACRYLIC. It also works, of course, with Lightburn or any other software. For Lightburn, make sure the invert option is off and the pass-through option is activated to avoid double dithering. I will import the image into my software. By double-clicking on the image mode top right, I can set the correct step size for my DPI. I have used 231 DPI for my images, so I need 0.11 mm steps. For my 80-watt CO2 laser, I will use 500 mm per second speed and 13% power on min and max values. Next, I will draw a rectangle for the cutting job, same size as the image has. I can give it another color by selecting the rectangle and click on any color in the bottom color list. I will use red for cutting. With the center page button in the top menu, you can center the rectangle in the middle of the page, directly on the image. Perfect. My values for cutting are 10 mm per second speed, 30% min power, and 35% max power. Last step is to hit the start button. For the acrylic preparation, the only thing I did is removing the foil on the side where you engrave the image, leave the bottom side. Also, I have some small acrylic parts underneath the acrylic to avoid burning marks because of the reflections of the honeycomb table. Now I will apply some isopropanol and clean it with a tissue. A microfiber cloth would be even better, but I haven't had one. After we cleaned it, we can remove the foil on the back. You don't have to do anything else on the back, since it is perfectly protected through the foil during the engraving and cutting process. This looks perfect to me. You can check it by laying the acrylic on a darker background to see the details really well. Now let's repeat the whole process with the other image. I will use the same values as I did before, since they work perfectly for every image on my end. Let's run the job. And again, some isopropanol on the image and cleaning with the tissue. After, remove the foil on the back. Sometimes it looks not perfect because there is still some isopropanol in the engraving. But don't worry, isopropanol vaporizes as it consists of pure alcohol. I hope you have learned something and will achieve awesome acrylic images as well. If you enjoyed the video, subscribe our channel to never miss out any future content. Thanks for watching and have a great day. Bye.